Welcome to Study Loop.
The point estimate of the difference between the two population means can be calculated by subtracting the mean of sample 2 from the mean from sample 1. And so that would be 13.7 minus 11.7, which is 2.0 to 1 decimal place. To construct the 90% confidence interval for the difference between the two population means, we can use the formula the confidence interval is equal to the difference of the means plus or minus the critical z, which at 90% in this case is 1.645 times the square root of the standard deviation of the first sample squared over the sample size 40 plus the second standard deviation 3.4 squared over its sample size 35. And so the lower boundary will be found by subtracting. And so we'll subtract 2 minus 1.645 times the square root of 2.2 squared over 40 plus 3.4 squared over 35. And that will be to 2 decimal places 0.89. And the upper boundary found by adding, and that's 3.11 to 2 decimal places. And then for C, to construct the 95% confidence interval, it would be the same mean, but we're going to use 1.96 instead of 1.645. Everything else is the same. And so the lower boundary, again found by subtracting, is 0.68, and the upper boundary found by adding is 3.32, again to 2 decimal places.